Welcome to our special series, The Importance of Intergenerational Connections. Through simple stories of love, learning, and shared wisdom, we celebrate the beautiful bond between young and old. Come, let's journey together, one story at a time. Story 5. The Festival Saree. Not all traditions are found in books. Some are gently folded in memories and passed down with love. In a small town lit with early signs of Deepavali, 12-year-old Anaya sat on the floor of her grandmother's room, surrounded by colors, marigold flowers, bright paper lanterns, and the soft rustle of silk saris. Aji was gently unfolding her old sari collection from a big wooden trunk. Each one had a smell of turmeric, camphor, and thyme. "Why do you keep these old saris, Aji?" Anaya asked, running her fingers over a faded green one with golden borders. Aji smiled, her eyes twinkling. "This one," she said, "I wore when your Appa was born. This pink one, for your parents' wedding. And this, the yellow one, I wore the day you were born." Anaya gasped. "You wore this when I came into the world?" Aji nodded. "Yes, Kanna. Saris are not just cloth. They carry stories of joy, of loss, of courage. Just like wrinkles on our face." That evening, instead of wearing her new dress, Anaya surprised everyone by wrapping herself in the same yellow sari, slightly oversized, but glowing with meaning. Aji stood silent, then hugged her tight, tears and pride dancing quietly in her smile. That Deepavali, more than lights, more than sweets, it was the thread between generations that glowed the brightest. Ending message. When we take time to listen, even simple traditions become bridges between hearts, connecting past and future in the most beautiful way. Thank you for being part of this journey. May the bonds of love and wisdom grow stronger with each generation. If you have enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Stay connected, stay inspired. Thank you.